Hello guys. Hello and welcome. So in this tutorial I'm going to talk about the date formulas or the date function in Excel. So this is my 4 columns: product name, store, and date. And here I mentioned the columns which I'm going to find out, which is the year, the month, the weekday, the day, the end of the month, the date format, and the difference between two dates. So let's go from, I can write the formulas directly here, like year something, or like this, or I can give value over here like this, right? But there is another solution, a very easy solution for doing these, for putting these formulas. So here we go in the formula section, and here is a date type formula. And let's see, I select year. For example, in this column I select this year and this year and this. Okay, and let me drag this. So this is entry you in the year, and for this I can go to again into, and I can go to the month and get the serial, and here is yes. So this is basically your month. And I want to go again the weekday, and this is the weekday of 2. Okay, so there's a problem. I think the wrong value. Okay, so we will do the weekday later, and here we have go again and check the day and click all the serial, and let's see, it gives you the day of the date, right? So this is 20, this is 20. What if I want to know the end of the month of this month? For example, it's 11th of January 2021, but I want to know the end date of this month. So let's go over here again, click on this, and yes, this, and yes. Okay, and I want to give this value into, I want to give this into months. Okay, what if I want to know the today's date? So let's just simply put today's function, and let's see what is it. So today is the date, right?